過。
403就唔係好多啦，有冇共賞都追得唔錯啦，咁慢嘅步速留到爆尾，仲要轉個咁闊嘅彎喎。其實喺裏邊慳啲轉都得啦，個彎得咁少馬喺前邊，使唔使轉到去嗰度咧？真係係嘛？咁慢步速都蝕晒啲形勢。
Thanks very much, Top James. All we can say as well. How did it feel?
Oh, he's so special, and he takes the words out of my mouth. To be fair, it's an absolute privilege to ride him, and every time he goes around, just a huge smile on my face, and he's real touching, that horse. And
it can't be done without Danny. Just quickly, a line on the training performance.
Oh, incredible. And him and his team just gloat over him. You know, he's a very special horse, as he should be gloated over. He's one of a kind, but his training performance was incredible. Obviously, so long off, and to have him looking how he did, feeling how he did, and performing how he did was a real testament to his training ability.
James, well done.
Thank you.
呢個都真係馬王嘅風範嚟嘅，浪漫勇士啊！遠征完一個上半年度，嚟到下半年做完手術復出，操練啊各樣嘢都即係都要讚下沈贊成嘅保養。
我諗我哋最擔心就係手術嘅問題咯。咁我今日亦都顯示咗冇問題啦。
我睇佢季初好快出嚟踱步條頸啊，都已經有翻啲心勁。
4連環預計派彩1號、2號、4號、9號派201蚊。4重彩預計派彩1號、2號、9號、4號順序派1367蚊。咁啊，3項嘅2級賽都名花有主啦，咁啊都係兩大師傅啦，麥道朗同埋潘頓啊，啲好馬都喺佢哋手上。
浪漫勇士仲有11蚊位置，
係
氣泡10個01。
臨尾落好多飛啊！我氣泡落到30零蚊開跑，32蚊。
咁啊，睇下下個月啦。進軍呢個香港杯。好啦，睇下個頒獎先。
各位來賓，中銀香港馬會杯頒獎儀式現在開始。Ladies and gentlemen, the VOCHK Jockey Club Cup Trophy Presentation Ceremony will now commence.
各位馬迷大家好，今屆嘅中銀香港馬會杯嘅得主已經順利誕生啦，就係由浪漫勇士係勝出㗎。浪漫勇士亦都係我哋而家全球最高獎金嘅賽區下，今次輕鬆勝出嚟，睇嚟佢亦都已經準備好啦，迎接我哋12月嘅國際賽事㗎啦。Congratulations to Romantic Warrior for taking the BOCHK Jockey Club Cup 2025。喺呢個時候呢，我哋有請香港賽馬會副主席黃家純先生係將中銀香港馬會杯嘅獎杯同埋小型獎杯呢係頒發俾勝出頭馬浪漫勇士嘅馬主劉柏輝先生。And now Mr. Lester Huang, Deputy Chairman of the Hong Kong Jockey Club, is presenting a trophy and also a miniature to Mr. Peter Lau Pak Fai, the owner of Romantic Warrior. And now Ms. Tong is receiving the miniature. Congratulations. 繼續我哋有請副主席呢，就係將小型獎杯呢係頒發俾勝出馬匹嘅練馬師沈贊成嘅。And now Mr. Huang is presenting the miniature to winning trainer Danny Shum. Congratulations. 繼續請副主席呢，就係將小型獎杯頒發俾我哋馬匹嘅騎師麥道朗。And now Mr. Huang is presenting the miniature to winning jockey James Medano. Thank you, Mr. Huang. 跟住我哋有請中國銀行香港有限公司嘅副總裁陳文先生，就係將紀念杯呢係致送俾馬匹嘅馬主劉柏輝先生嘅代表，我哋有魏小姐。And now Mr. Stephen Chan, Deputy Chief Executive of Bank of China Hong Kong Limited, is now presenting the commemorative trophy to the winning owner's representative, Ms. Ngai. Thank you, Mr. Chan. 繼續我哋有請中國銀行香港有限公司個人金融及財富管理部嘅總經理盧慧敏女士係將銀碟頒發俾勝出嘅練馬師沈集成。And now Miss Mary Low, General Manager of Personal Banking and Wealth Management Department, Bank of China Hong Kong Limited is now presenting silver dish to winning trainer Danny Shum。Thank you。我哋最後啦，有請中國銀行香港有限公司個人金融產品部總經理周國昌先生將銀碟自送俾我哋嘅騎師麥道朗。And now Mr. Arnold Chow, General Manager of Personal Banking Products Department, Bank of China Hong Kong Limited, has just presented the silver dish to our winning jockey James Madonna. And now James Madonna is presenting the bouquet to Miss Mary Low。好啦，跟住落嚟，我哋又準備影張大合照啦嚇。Of course, a group photo to commemorate this very special moment. Look at all the media friends in the front. 好啦，正前方我哋望下所有嘅傳媒朋友啦。好，望一望你哋嘅右手邊咧 ，slightly to the right hand side and to the left hand side. Yeah, to make sure everyone got the perfect photo. Thank you very much. 好啦，嚟到呢一刻咧，就係中銀香港馬會杯嘅頒獎儀式咧，亦都已經圓滿結束啦。再一次恭喜晒！ Thank you once again, and that's the end of the trophy presentation. See you next time. Bye bye.